morning, guys! Magbibis na pala yan si ate. And ito pala yung baon niya today. So, roasted chicken and potatoes, strawberries, and then dried strawberries. As usual. And tomato sauce yan. Si Riker hindi pa tapos mag-almusal eh. Pero nandito si daddy niya, so iwan ko lang si Riker. We'll just drop ate. Let's go, Holly! You guys, ito na pala kami sa mall kasi yung cleaners naglinis today. Today sila naglinis. Ano kapagupit yung mag-ama ko? Pagupit daw sila and then I'll have to pick up Holly because she have therapy today. Nagkaano pala siya. Tumawag yung school and stung siya ng bee. Pero naalis na yung sting daw and she's fine now. But I just gotta give her about some antihistamine kasi allergic yun sa insect bite. Mamaya, pag pick up ko ng alauna sa kanya pa, inumin natin siya ng antihistamine. Ayan guys. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung dalawa kasi waiting pa din sila. And kailangan ko nang pick upin si ate. So, buti na lang kahapon bumili na ako ng kasi declutter nga ako ng medicine kit, diba? And expired na yung mga antihistamine nila. So, buti na lang kahapon nakabili ako for the kids. So, yun sa Teresin ba? Ang allergy. Let's go. Yung weather, tsaka di mo na mawari. Anyway, it's winter. Nasabi ko ba, natapos ko na yung listahan ko for baby. So everything last night I ordered online kasi nga ayoko nang maglakad-lakad. Kasi feeling ko ubibigat na siya. And ang sakit na likod ko. So sabi ko hindi na ako, buti na nga hinelp ako ni Cha mag-shopping ng the rest. So and then yeah, everything I ordered na online, even the car seat. Ang problema ko lang is because when we had Riker, we had the Nuna pram and the Nuna car seat. And then binenta ko yun, tapos bumili kami nga ng travel pram, which is the Yo-Yo, the Baby Zen. And now, yung pa rin yung gusto kong gamitin. So bumili ako ng car seat na sabi naman sa baby bonding, it can attach sa pram, sa Baby Zen ko. Kaso nga lang, out of stock sila nung adapter. So yung Stokey Yo-Yo car seat adapter, and I looked at it online last night. Everyone's out of stock. So tinanong ko si Ate Grace kung pwede niyang tanongin yan sa SM kung meron sila nun, kasi nga otherwise sa eBay lang siya available and it's coming from US pa. As in, wala out of stock yun sa Australia. I don't know why. But already got the car seat. Pwede pa naman siguro i-return yun. I don't know. We'll see. Sana meron available sa Pilipinas para sa atin na lang bumili and dalhin na lang nila. So, ayun. Yun na lang naman yung nasa listahan ko. Nappy bin, yung car seat adapter, and yung bottle washer. I'm still not sure about the Mom Cozy bottle washer. So, hindi ko pa siya in order. So, we're done. We're done shopping for baby. Just doing some clean up kanina umaga pagka uwi ko. Pagkatapos ko hatid kay Harley, I finish cleaning up dun sa laundry area, yung cabinet dun, the rest of the cabinet. So, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And, umalis nga kami ng bahay kanina alas 11 kasi nandun yung mga cleaner na. So, yes. Bumili pala ako ng pumpkin soup. So, I'm gonna sip that later. Habang naghihintay sa therapy ni ate. Now, I know a lot of you guys, I've seen some comments na about the vaccine. Now, yun lang naman. Preference ko lang naman yun, guys. Kasi based sa mga readings ko, sa experience ko, you know, I have a disability kid. And, ayun nga na, I changed her diet na. And, yeah, based on my search and research and then talking to other moms that have situation like ours, they're all the same. We're not saying that it's all about, it's the vaccine that causes autism. Kasi wala nga may alam kung ano bang cause ng autism, di ba? Hanggang ngayon, di pa rin nila alam kung ano ba ang cause. But, then again, it's so many na, ang dami ng batang nadadiagnose, you know? Even just slightly mild or spectrum siya eh. So, I think it's one of the factors because ang dami nang ingredients na hindi natin alam, you know, heavy metals, ingredients, chemicals na nilalagay nila sa mga vaccination. And then again, compulsory siya sa atin, di ba? Like, you know, yun lang yung alam natin na pag sinabi ng doktor, oh, turok mo to, like, you know, meron naman tayong rights na mag-ask na and mag-no. And yeah, like me, if you did a lot of research about it, yun lang naman nga yung sa akin. But I'm not saying it's all because of the vaccine. I think it's a lot of factors. Kaya marami ng batang may disability ngayon. Like especially our food, diba? Like yung pesticides. And then again, that's gonna be an argument kasi sabihin, oh, even if you buy organic, they still spray it with pesticides that are organic. Like, but yeah, nasa sa inyo yan. Your kids, your family, your rules nga. So, but yeah, yun nga. A lot of factors like yung cleaning products, there's so many chemicals now or toxins. We're so exposed with heavy metals. I did all my research and I got a Holly tested, even hair test, a naturopath, and she was high on aluminium. But yeah, some of the vaccines have aluminium ingredients on it. And she was high on that nung lumabas yung hair test niya. And yeah, so I did the blood test. So pinatest ko naman yung anak ko, guys. So that's why I'm just sharing, diba, yung experience ko and our preference. So yun sa akin. Ayan, bigat atin na, guys. Aga-aga pa tayo. Pinikap ko siya ng 1 kasi nastang siya ng B. But she's fine now. And
good afternoon.
And break kasi nila yan, na pumupunta sila sa sensory garden, and ang layo-layo ng sensory garden nila sa dulo. So sabi ko, dalhin nyo na lang, pakidala na lang siya sa office sa entrance ng 1 o'clock para hindi na ako maglakad ng ganong kalayo. Ay, ang sarap ng pumpkin soup. Ang sarap. Hey, Holly? Can you put seatbelt on? Thank you. You had a good day, Papa? Ay, tumawag pala si Ben. Tawagan natin siya.
How is she, love?
She's happy, babe.
How's her bite?
There's just there's just a little bit of mark there, but it's not red anymore.
Oh, but she didn't.
And then
Didn't react like last time. That's good. Good job, Ivy.
she was
Very
brave.
proud.
Teacher said.
Yeah. Oh, Bee's horrifying. Not very scary.
I know Miss Ida said I'll be crying by now if I got stung by a bee.
Oh no.
But she didn't cry. She just didn't like the ice pack.
Okay.
Are you harmed now?
Yeah. Please go on. Yeah, he had a good haircut.
You had a good haircut.
He's just so cute when he gets his haircut.
Why?
Oh, I just love it. He just sits there and
I
the
know.
girl talks to him.
I know, it's so cute, like an adult, no? I'm not anti-vax. I'm just, I think I'm just more aware, or I did lots of research about, ingredients, kung ano ba talaga yan. And tinuturok nila sa atin, and we are entitled naman kung malaman kung ano yung mga ingredients niyang mga tinuturok nila, di ba? Lalo na sa mga baby. Baby pa, so ayan. Yeah, my kids naman are Harley's fully vax. And then Riker is just the 4 years old yung hindi ko na pinavax. So, and we never had a whooping cough, we never had flu vaccines, and we're fine. Harley had a RSV nung nasa Pilipinas, and thank God naman, palakas ako. Thank God naman hindi siya na-admit. And RSV ngayon, in-offer nga nila bago na namang vaccine daw yun para sa mga buntis. And nag-no na lang ako kasi I think I'm fine. I'm fine naman. I don't think I need it. Nasa sa'yo naman yan. Nasa inyo naman yan. If you think you need it, then go for it, But if you think it's not necessary, so why not? Bakit mo siya gagawin? Yun lang. So it's up to you guys. I'm just sharing my thoughts about it. Health and wellness. Yun is very interesting talaga if you do lots of reading about it, search about it. It's so interesting how our world works. Really. And yeah. Sometimes in a way na so cruel, makita mo na, oh my God, bakit kaya ganun na? Like yung mga big pharmaceuticals na yan, together with the government, they're all making their cut. Hey, if you do lots of watching documentaries about it. Ayan, nandito na kami, guys. I'm just gonna give her antihistamines na. Bigyan ko na siya ng antihistamine. Kailangan niya kasi allergic siya sa insect bite. Ang hirap na mabuksan ito ay, But yeah, based on my research kasi, kids on the spectrum, yung mga batang ganyan is hindi marami inflammation sa kanila. So, especially sa brain. Kaya hindi nga gumagana yung social nila, yung speaking nila, communication nila. So, first thing you gotta do is, they said, is heal the gut. Kasi nga connected yan sa brain. So, you have to heal their gut para less inflammation. And then, gluten causes a lot of inflammation. Kasi hindi nga siya digest na maayos. So, listen yung gluten and dairy. And then, help with probiotic to support good gut. Good bacteria. Vitamin. Good girl. It's vitamin. Ay sus. Good job, my love. Where's your water? Where's Holly's water? Let's go see Ali and Maria. Yeah, so para ma-less yung mga inflammation niya, so anti-inflammatory, detox mo yung body niya, heavy metals, isn't it? So you'll notice, kay Karen Dabela, ganun din naman yung sinabi niya is alisin ng casein and gluten niya because it causes a lot of inflammation. Ulit-ulit ba yung sinasabi ko? But And sugar is number 1 as well. Kasi, you know, sugar is not good for the brain. Yun yung sinasabi ko kay Riker. Kaya minsan sabi niya, it's not good for my brain. Hi.
What? What a pop?
Good girl. Please?
Please?
Kasi yung mga binibili ko is mas mahal nga na naman siya, no? Kasi natural, ano. Ikaw na lang gumawa kung masipag ka. Yung sugarless. So this ones I buy at the health shop. Or meron din naman sa Woolies. Kasi tingnan mo rin yung ingredients. Apakadami pa din.
Mine is black.
So sabi nila, mas less ingredients. Much better.
Mine is
Yung bread nga lang daw.
correct.
Diba yung bread nga is 3 ingredients na or 4. Pero pag tinignan mo yung mga loaf bread mo ngayon, ilan ng ingredients.
Brown with chocolate.
Diba? You wonder why. Ano bang pinaglalagay nila sa mga pagkain natin, diba?
Mine is
The house is so clean, you guys. Kanina pa pala kami nasa bahay. It's nearly 4 o'clock. And I'm just folding some clothes. Mamaya, magluto tayo ng chicken curry. Kumakain naman yung mga bata, konti lang, pero mag-roast na lang ako ng chicken sa kanila. So, yun ang aming ulam for today with rice. So, of course, yun tayo ng selling OC. Hinihintay ko yung palabas na Farmer Wants a Wife sa Channel 7. May maganda bang Korean show ngayon? Any recommendations, you guys? Tagal ko nang di nanood ng Kakasubscribe ko lang sa Netflix ulit, actually. Kasi Disney Plus lang kami ngayon. Pero yeah, mag-subscribe na rin ako sa Netflix. Look at this one. Last time kasi nakikiconnect lang ako kay Ate Grace sa Netflix niya. Naligo na yung mga kids. Pinaliguan ni daddy nila. Because Riker had a haircut. Di ko pala siya na-vlog. Ano yung tsura niya? Gwapo niya. Because we're gonna do our photo shoot on Friday. I don't know what am I gonna do with my hair. Because alam niyo naman na maikli na yung buhok natin. Parang mangalkal ako dun sa guest room. Kasi alam ko may mga iniwang clip-on wig si Ate Grace. So, makasuotin ko yun. We'll see. And then, I'll just do my own makeup. Simple lang naman. Sa Boracay nga namin na photoshoot, di man ako konti lang akong makeup din. Tapos sinali ko lang yung hair ko. Anyway. So, yeah. Kasi Friday night, yung aming photoshoot. And doon na rin kami magdi-dinner kay Grandma. Kasi malapit lang yun doon. Doon, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko ba, doon din nag-photoshoot, newborn photoshoot si Riker. So, doon ko na rin papa-photoshoot si baby sa kanya. So, ibahin ko na lang yung team ni baby sa team ni kuya niya. Ayan pala yung haircut ni Riker, guys. Oh, ay, ano ba? Kumakain siya. Hindi niya pa ubos yung kanya. Look, you're so guwapo, babe. Chicken and rice yung kanya. Si Harley sweet potato and rice na ubos na kaagad. And ito yung amin. Chicken curry. Kain tayo. Good morning. Seatbelt?
Mine is number 4.
Question mo so. To school 8:39. We're early today. Ay, ang linis ng bahay, guys, and ang linis na ng mga cabinets. So sa taas na ako niyan, tapos na ako sa baba. I was gonna organize the under the stair storage din. Kaso baka kailangan ko na ng tulong doon kasi may mga mabibigat na doon. So, naman tayo sa taas. Anyway, drop natin si ate and then may swimming lesson mamaya si Riker. It's very foggy kaninang umaga.
Mom, it's not foggy now.
It's not foggy now. I mean, the sun's out now. Let's go. Up to school. I haven't heard it click. Click. Seatbelt.
Look at that nice car, Mommy.
What's car? Oh, that's a nice car. That's a Tesla. That's an electric car.
I don't want to buy an electric car.
You don't want to buy electric car. You're the same as
Is it a
daddy.
vroom vroom one?
No, it's not a broom broom. Holly, seatbelt.
It don't have a
We're not gonna buy a car this year, you guys. We're just gonna keep this car.
What about last
Next
night
year na
when-
kami.
Mommy, last night.
Ayun, na-drop na namin si ate, guys. Just gonna wash the dishes quickly before I take breakfast to swimming. Nagkape na rin ako. And mamaya, punta kami ng Harbor Town.
What a sticker.
Ay, ano kayong lulutuin ko mamaya? Ay, ano pala, may tira pa pala akong chicken curry and tutuan ko na lang ng egg yung kids kasi nga hindi naman pala uuwi si Ben for dinner. Busy siya for today. Kami lang ng kids mamaya. Riker, go to the laundry and on the cupboard there, you get your towel and your goggles, please.
Okay.
Thank you. No, in the laundry. Thank you. You guys, so dito pala kami ni Riker sa Harbor Town.
Don't look at me.
Eh? Pasaway yun, hindi niya kinakain yung ano niya. I'm having sombrero for lunch. Sarap. Ayan, punta kami dito sa Harbor Town kasi bunilan ko ng jeans si Ben. Sakto na dito siya and sinukat niya yung kanya. And bumili din ako ng akin. So, dalawa yung kanya dyan. And then bumili ako ng white top na crop top sa Cotton On. So, Riker's just here sa playground. Ayun siya. Yeah, so nag-lunch na rin kami dito. Sombrero ako and then nag-subway siya. Gusto ko rin sana silang bilhan ng shoes. Kaso nga lang, wala pa ako nakikita. May nakita ko Samba, sana bilan ko si Riker kaso walang size. So, baka bilan ko lang siya ulit ng Vans. Yung suit-suit niya ngayon. Kaso naliitan niya na kasi yun. Dahil na kami guys.
Windy.
Oh my God. Dinaan pala Litcha-Lita yung mga bottles na binili niya for baby. Thank you. Binilan niya pa ako ng nape. Binilan niya pa ako ng Rastos na newborn nape. So that's
I
cute.
made a snowman.
Ito yung kalahat. Ito na lang yung open ko para dalhin ko sa hospital. Kasi meron ako isang box ng huggies. Nabili ko sa Costco yun. And ito yung mga bote guys. So cute. So by 150, dalawang 150 ml pang newborn.
Did you hear the thunder last night? It was so loud.
Ay,
The kids are scared of the
oh,
thunder
cute ang
during the
newborn.
storm.
Glass bottles. So yan.
Lightning.
Cute diba?
Light
Ko, and then apat na yung 250 ml.
Hot.
Cute. Thank you.
The weather is
Ano
hot
ba
in
yung
the
ano
summer.
nito? Zero, Oslo. So, bibiling ko na lang yung chupon niya kapag ano.
It's so
Kasi
hot
lahat,
today.
even
I
itong
need a
malaki,
cold
ano
drink.
yung chupon niya, pang newborn din. So, yeah. Lots of bottles na.
Hot.
And I think I'm gonna buy yung bottle washer.
Cold.
Because I think it will help
Cold.
a lot. And then yung binili ko pala sa Levi's is dalawang jeans lang ni Ben and isang jeans ko. And I got him a white t-shirt sa Connor at saka top sa akin sa Cotton On.
Warm.
Yun na naman.
Warm.
Ate's home. She's just having her merienda. Nag-apple na yan, ngayon grapes naman.
Cool.
So, maliligo na yan. Si Riker naligo na kasi kanina after ng swimming niya.
Evenings.
So, Harley will do hers and I think Ben will be home around
We had a cool day
Alright.
after the hot weekend.
6:30 or 7 o'clock. So, I'm just gonna have the leftover curry.
Cool.
And then the kids will just have egg for dinner. Scramble ko lang yung eggs to kids, guys. And egg and rice sila. And ako, chicken curry. Hungry na si Riker Flynn. Okay. Manners?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
10 plus 10 equals...
Mommy, I have an idea. Let's look in the start one.
Very good. What about
Jumping from
2 plus 8?
trusting our wings to fly.
What about 9 plus 2?
We get up
Mommy, let's do it like this. The one you go over there.
11. Very good. What about
You go over there.
8 plus 8?
And you go over there. And you go. That's the idea.
Oh, very good.
Mommy.
About 7 plus 7?
Equals 13.
Very good. What about 8 plus 2?
Equals 10.
What about 4 plus 5?
Equals 9.
What about 10 plus 3?
Equals 13.
Oh, that's you miscount on that one. What about 10 plus 5?
Equals 15.
Who
Really?
told her all this?
I don't
I
know.
didn't teach her any of it.
She's counting on her head. What about 10 plus 7?
Equals 17.
Harley, what about 20 plus 4?
Equals 24.
Very good. What about 20 plus 10?
Equals 13.
No, 20 plus 10.
Equals
Thir-
13.
30. What about 20 plus 6?
Equals 26.
Very good. Riker's turn. Okay, Riker's turn. 2 plus 2.
4.
Wow. 1 plus 3.
4.
Very good. What about 5 plus 5?
10.
Oh, very good. What about 2, 1? 1 plus 1?
2.
Alright. 3 plus 3?
Equals 6.
Sorry. What about 4 plus 4?
8.
Ay, very good. Ayan, so ready tayo sa guest room, guys, sa kwarto ni Ate Grace. Ito pala yung nabili kong napping sa Costco. So, 224 pala siya ang newborn. And then, this the water wipes that I got from Qrash. And nag-order ako ulit sa Baby Bunting. And dumating na yung wipe warmer ni Baby. So, I got from Amazon. So, and then ito yung kaniyang what do you call this? Camera. Baby camera. So, So anyway, nabox natin yan lahat once everything is delivered. I think by June 3, delivered na lahat ng mga pinag-order ko. Anyway, nandito ako kasi gusto kong mga kalma. Ayan, lashes. Ang dami ni ating lashes pa dito. So, wanna put some lashes. Uy, madam. Madam! Ayun, ang dami pa ni ating lashes dito. Thank you naman. And I think meron siya mga ano dito, clip-on na buhok. Baka yun yung ilagay ko sa aking buhok. Oh, di ba? Hindi, wig yata. O, clip-on to. I'll take yata ating clip-on na. Ayan. Yung sinuot ko ito kay Harley. Match kaya siya sa buhok ko, guys. So, magtali lang ako ng ano. Ah, hindi siya match ba siya? Hindi siya match sa aking buhok. Harley, look at this. Hindi siya match. Parang ang pangit din naman. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair tomorrow. Baka ito na lang. Right, can you hear me, please? Thank you. Baka ito na lang na, guys. Kasi naka-ano siya. Parang siya. Hindi ba? Buti na yung ate ko ang daming abubot dito sa bahay. Ewan ko bakit dalawa siya. But anyway. Ito na lang. I'll wear this one tomorrow, bebo. Cute. Ito, mag-match pa ng konti sa aking buhok. And then, kakapalan ko lang ng konti yung makeup ko bukas. Yan, bukas ako mag-ayos.